Hi Ali. How are you feeling today?
Much better.
Oh, good. Are you going to be warm enough for just that shirt? It might be a little cold on the boat.
I'll be fine. Are we going to walk to the bay?
No, it's too far. It's better if we get a cab.
How long does it take my cab?
About 10 minutes?
And how long is the boat trip?
I'm not sure. I think it's for an hour. Why?
Well, I have to be back here by 1 o'clock. I'm expecting an important phone call.
Not from Brad. I hope.
Well, actually. No, of course not. From the New York office.
Okay, let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me what time the next boat will leave?
At 10 o'clock.
How long does it take?
About an hour?
And where exactly does the boat go?
It goes under the bridge around Angel Island and past Alcatraz and then back here.
Can we get anything to eat or drink on the boat?
Oh, yes.
So what do you think of San Francisco?
It's beautiful, Mark. I love it.
Better than London?
Not better, different.
Do you think you could live here?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Well, it's a long way from London. I think I'd miss all my family and friends.
Could you live somewhere else? But in Europe?
Maybe. Why do you ask?
Oh, no reason, I just wondered.
Where are we going for dinner tonight?
It's a surprise.
Oh, I'm really looking forward to it.
Me, too.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi. I'm leaving tomorrow morning very early. Could you prepare my bill so I can pay for this evening?
Of course, and could you order me a cab? For what time?
My flight at 9:15. So I have to be at the airport at 7:15.
Then you'll need a cab at 6 o'clock. I'll order one for you.
Thanks. Oh, has there been a phone call for me?
Oh, yes. There's a message for you.